Hi, Nicole. Thanks for coming by the booth. We're so excited to hear how the PhysioU is affecting your classroom. Do you mind telling us your name and what program you teach at?
Yeah, Nicole Hodges, and I'm at Methodist University in Fayetteville, North Carolina.
Awesome. And what apps have you been using, and what is the effect you're seeing with your students, and how it is affecting your life as a faculty member?
So I teach test and measures and biophysical agents, and I've utilized the SIM apps for both of those, the educational materials for each of those. They do the pre-learning assessment and then come to lab sections, and then we do the kind of plug and play with the actual application of the modalities for that deep-seated learning. It is a fabulous unit.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So for the physical agents class, are you having them preview the videos, and how does that affect your lab when they finally get to lab?
Definitely. So they preview the videos, they do those sims prior to lab, and they upload that into our platform, our learning platform. And then when they come to lab, at that point, it's hit the ground running. It decreases my lab time. I can go and spot check things versus have to deliver all of the content in front of our full student population. It just allows that more intimate content understanding versus me standing up there in front of the whole class saying this is how we do this.
Right.
Yeah.
It kind of, again, puts you as the guide on the side because a lot of the foundational work has already been laid out,
Exactly.
and that they can be exposed to it in multiple occasions too.
And we can work on that critical reasoning component
Right.
because they've already gotten the baseline understanding. And so the application and thinking more critically through it and the whys behind things.
Right.
Yeah, it's been great.
That's awesome. And last thing, if you were to describe PhysioU in one word, what would you say?
Life-changing.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for letting us be part of that journey.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate it. Thank you.